Zimbabwe National Traditional Dancers Association, in conjunction with the National Gulewamkulu Organization of Zimbabwe, proudly presents the 6th edition of Pfumbi Nyau Dance Festival, featuring 35 Nyau dance groups from all around Zimbabwe and 5 supporting groups of different tradition. Come and witness the best of the best mubwalo in Kwekwe. Venue, Mbizo Stadium. Admission free of charge. Date 30 November to 1 December 2019. Pungwe. For sponsorship, donation, support, partnership and registration, contact us on 071 35 98 876, 0776 192510, or 07731 56509, or 0773 443310, or 071 6411 436. This is a chance not to be missed. Let's join hands to celebrate cultural diversity.